issues there were two petitions. One petition we filed on 3rd May 2019, 20, and 2019, and second petition what we filed was on 10th. So each question was whether we are withdrawing one of the petition. Actually, my advocate has already told him last time that we already want to withdraw third.
We will not be pressing for it.
Subsequent
petition we are ready to go ahead.
And we will withdraw first, that is third. Today we have given in writing stating that we are withdrawing on our third petition. First petition.
That was the only issue, because then afterwards the Honorable Speaker made a statement. As and when the order is ready, he will similarly issue a notice and call upon us to be present.
Any expectations, sir? By when can?
Expectations are there, but
As early as possible. We expect as early as possible.
the petitions have waited for 2 years. We are expecting some results as early as possible.
Sir, now this budget would be presented. Budget at they look vote करते so at least you have asked them to
That
explain.
they have to decide Speaker and Supreme Court.
You are not.
It's not our this case are at both the places. Supreme Court आता है ऐसा आणि आम्ही ऐसा.
Because we are
And we are
arguing on merits.
fighting on it.
तुम्ही
Disqualify करते म्हणून.
सो तुम्ही अजूनही कॉन्फिडंट असा तुम्ही तुमच्या इथून मिळाल
I know that a lot of judgments in the favor of MPP. Recently, during election time, many people filed cases against us, which we won in the lower courts as well as in the high courts. Everybody knows. We published bulletins also on it.
सो यू कॉन्फिडंट
सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे मॅटर आता केन्ना लिस्ट केल्ले
Tentatively, it was supposed to be listed on 8th, but one does not know, because I personally am not aware of it. But tentatively, it was supposed to be taken up on 8th.
नेक्स्ट डेट खबर
I'm not sure about it.
Supreme Court Chief Justice is coming in Goa on 27th for to inaugurate High Court.
Speaker, and
Ask
pata
that
hai kita,
question to Chief.
अगेन यू ऑल हैव बीन कॉल्ड और नथिंग लाइक दैट
He said he will inform to us, similarly the way he informed us today.
तुम्ही आज डिसअपॉइंट झाले. तुमच्या
No, no, we disappoint. I'm a
There was a conundrum.
I'm a
because
happy man always.
There was a conundrum because there were 2 petitions before him.
लोकांना पाहिजे हे सगळं.
सो यू
हे
आर
व्हायला पाहिजे लोकांना. कुठं तरी हे जे आहे उड्या मारणं, या पक्षातून त्या पक्षात जाणं, हे बंद व्हायला पाहिजे. आजपर्यंत थोडे माणूसच पक्षात राहिले. भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर एकाच पक्षात राहून काम केलं. त्यानंतर आमचे पर्रीकर एकाच पक्षात, प्रतापसिंग रावजी राणे एकाच पक्षात, आणि खूप होते. पण ते मध्ये जे कोण आज 5 टर्म 6 टर्म कंटिन्युअस जे कोण आले, आणि त्यातच जर कोण आहे तर मी, प्रतापसिंग रावजी राणे, पर्रीकर आणि त्यानंतर भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर, बाकीच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी पक्ष सोडलेले आहेत, गेलेले आहेत. आणि त्यासाठी आता गोमंतकीयाने याच्यावर विचार करण्याची वेळ आलेली आहे.
पण उडक्यो कित्याक मत ते पते पते
त्यात मी सांगतो
पण सर पॉलिटिशियन
म्हाका
तुम्ही
दिसता ही वेळ आयल्या गोंयच्या लोकांचेर. बरें कितें ती 17 वर्सांचें मोगो पक्षाचें राज्य गोंयच्या लोकांनी पळयलां. त्यानंतर काँग्रेसीन तोडफोड केल्ली राज्य गोंयकारांनी पळयलां. आनी आतां भारतीय जनता पक्ष कंप्लीट तोडफोड न्हय, वयल्यान सकयल्यान वयर करता पळय तेंय लोकांनी पळयलां. सो पीपल नाव टू डिसायड.